Hello and welcome to IGCSE Mathematics 0580 Extended Course, syllabus topic E1, number, module E1.6, which is about inequalities, and this is part 8, in which we're going to solve exercise 16 of chapter number 5. As we know, we are using complete mathematics for Cambridge IGCSE extended syllabus written by David Rayner. And for your reference, we are going to solve question number 46 onward. It's on page 194. Right, so in question number 46 B part, we are given two inequality, and of course we have to show the solution of these two inequality on a number line. So let's solve this inequality first. It says x is squeezed between -4 and 2. So this is a number line. 4 is a small number, so we will write this on the left side like this one. 2 is a larger number, so we'll write 2 on the right side. And both -4 and 2 are not included, so we'll put an open circle on both of it. And the area is in between them. Let me use a different color so you should know what's the solution of this inequality. So this is between -4 and 2. So this is the solution of this inequality. Let's talk about this inequality now. It says x greater than -2. It means that if you just think of -2 on this same number line, so -2 will be somewhere here, right? So -2 is here, and it is not equal to, so it is an open circle once again, and it is greater than, so it means that you have to travel towards the right side of it like this one, all the way towards the right side of it. And now in order to solve write the answer on a single number line, what you have to do, you have to look for the intersection between these two, right? Intersection means what is common between the red line and the blue line. See, on the red line, -2 is included, but on the blue line -2 is not included. It means that in our solution -2 will not be included, because in order to include any number, this number must be in this inequality and this inequality as well. -2 is here, that's all right, but -2 is not here. So it means that of course the intersection starting from here to here, this is the area, this is the answer. So it means that -2 will start with the -2, but -2 is not included. And of course, if you move towards the right, look at this red line and the blue line, they all numbers are common. And now see here, in here 2 is not included in this inequality, but 2 is included in here, but we have to take the common, so we have to put an open circle in 2 as well, because in order to include a number, that number must be included in this inequality and in this at the same time. It means that our answer lie between -2, a continuous inequality, you can write -2 less than x less than 2. Okay, so in question number 46 C parts, once again we are given with two inequalities. One is 2x plus 1 less than equal to 5, another is -12 less than equals to 3x minus 3. So let's solve them individually. So in order to solve them, we will take +2 onto the right side, so it will be 2x less than equals to 5 minus 1, 2x less than equals to 4, and 2 will be divided on that side, so it will be x less than equals to 4 divided by 2 is 2. And now let's solve this inequality. We'll bring -3 onto the left side, so it will be -12 plus 3 less than equals to 3x. -12 plus 3 is -9 less than equal to 3x. Once 3 will be divided on the left side, so 9 divided by 3 is 3, so it will be -3 less than equals to x, or we can write as x is greater than equals to -3. So we have two inequalities in which one says x is less than equals to 2 and another says x is greater than equals to -3. So let's solve it on a number line, and the same rule, smaller number on the left side, -3 is a smaller number, so it will be on the left side. 2 is a bigger number, it's on the right side, and both numbers are included. It means it's a dark circle here and the dark circle here, and of course -3 greater than, so we have to move towards the right, and less than 2, it means we have to move towards the left of 2, and anything in between them, this is our answer. Or in a continuous inequality, you can write like -3 less than equals to x less than equals to 2, or you can see that x is squeezed between -3 and 2, where -3 and 2 also included. In D part, once again, we are given with two inequalities, so let's solve them individually. First of all, take this minus 2 onto the right side, so it will be 3x less than 19 plus 2, so it is 3x less than 21. Once 3 is divided onto the right side, so 21 divided by 3 is 7, so it is x less than 7. And here straight away we'll take 2 onto the left side, it will be divided, so it will be x greater than equals to minus 6 over 2, and 2 3s are 6, so it is x greater than equals to minus 3. So in order to write the solution, let's draw it on a number line. Minus 3 smaller number on the left side here, plus 7 bigger number on the right side here, and minus 3 is included, it's a dark circle, and 7 is not included, it's an open circle like this one. And of course, you know, x is greater than minus 3, so you have to move towards the right, and x is less than 7, so we have to move towards the left. So anything in between them is our answer. In a continuous inequality, you can write minus 3, which is included, and x, and which is less than 7. Now see that 3 is included, 7 is not included, and x is squeezed between minus 3 and 7, where minus 3 is included but 7 is not. Okay, in the last question of question number 47, we are given an equality. It says n less than under root 300 and under root 300 less than n plus 1. So first of all, let me write the value of under root 300, so you should know what's going on. So it is under root 300, it's 17.32. Right, so now of course, to solve it, we just divide into two different inequalities. One says n less than under root 300, right, and here of course for your ease, you can write instead of under 300, you can write 17.32, right, this is the point. And here let's solve this one out. So it is under root 300 less than n plus 1, so it is in fact 17.32 less than n plus 1. Let's bring plus 1 onto the left side, so it is 17.32 minus 1 less than n, which is equals to 17.32 minus 1 will be 16.32, so it means we are saying n is greater than 16.32. right, now let's draw it on a number line. 16.32 is a smaller number, so we'll write on the left side, so it is 16.32. 17.32 is a larger number, so we write on the right side like this one. Now in the question it says find an integer such find an integer n such that, so we looking for some integer in between 16.32 and 17.32. so clearly the whole number itself is 17 here. Of course, this is not included, this is not included, and the area in between then we're looking for. So the only integer between 16.32 and 17.32 is 17. There's no other whole number or integer between these two decimal number. So 17 is our answer. So n is equals to 17. So this is the end of our section E1.6, which is about inequality. So in the next part of the videos, we'll be doing E1.7. So see you there.